Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another flip project. I just got this Campbell Hausfeld oilless air compressor from a lady who is selling her house. I paid 50 bucks for this unit. It runs and operates perfectly. It's a 3.5 horsepower machine, which is a very powerful motor for an 11-gallon unit. We're gonna do the same thing basically as in my previous videos. We're gonna disassemble it. I'm gonna strip it down. We're gonna tape it off, paint it, reassemble it, and sell it. The kicker about this one is that it comes with a hose, it comes with an extension cord, and also a Campbell Hausfeld pistol grip tire inflator with a gauge. These things can run up to 30 bucks. So I think I'm gonna probably pull about $100 profit off this machine if I'm lucky. So here we go. All right, here it is inside. I have the hose and that other extension cord off of the machine. So basically what we're gonna do here is the pump and the motor are gonna come off, the regulator is gonna come off, the bars here are gonna come off, the wheels are gonna come off, everything's gonna be cleaned. The stickers are gonna be taped off. These right here are gonna be taped off. That guy's gonna be taped off. That guy's gonna be taped off. And then we're gonna shoot it with paint. I'm gonna go military green like I did in my other two because it just works. This sticker right here is gonna go because the tank's gonna be green. This is gonna be nice and black. It would look a little weird with a gray sticker. So that's gonna go, and it's also unnecessary because all the ratings are right here on top. Okay, tools used. Of course, first and foremost, safety gloves. Gotta be safe when you're working with any sort of solvent or paint or any sort of chemical. Your hands are very valuable. We have a cleaner, and of course we're gonna paint it. So those are my two colors, the Rust-Oleum moss green and this 99-cent black spray paint. We have some abrasives, wire brush, and sandpaper. Decent little wrench set. I got this at Harbor Freight. I think it was, oh my goodness, maybe 13 or 14 bucks, which is an incredible deal. They're not super high grade wrenches, but they are perfect for this sort of application. I have some super glue for the corners of the stickers that are sticking out, and then I have some magnetic cups to hold all the bolts and everything that I'm going to be taking out. Okay, as said before, I was going to take everything off, and so that's what it looks like. So there's the regulator, and there's the pump and the motor, and then I have the plastics back there. And as I said, these cups are so good for holding bolts. And if you even want to, you can take a sticky note and you could label what part of the project you're using those cups for, so you know which screws to use. There's the tank down here, so we're just gonna do some cleanup. I'm gonna scuff up the areas that I think need it. There's a little bit of surface rust on this tank here, so I'll probably just wire brush that down or sandpaper it down, and then we will tape and paint. Pretty much it. All right, everybody. Well, I got everything prepped for paint. Everything's been wiped down and cleaned, and I've sanded the necessary areas. Taped off the logos, taped off the outside of the motor here. And I just threw a rag over the top of the pump there. Paint's not going to get through, but I need to get all of this stuff black and the outside of the filter black. And yeah, and then here's the tank. I took out the drain valve from the bottom here and just stuffed some paper towel in there. And then I just kind of hand sanded this down, you know, piece of sandpaper, scuffed it up. I got most of the surface rust. Remember, you're not trying to make this a showpiece. You're just trying to make it look great and move it along and make a profit. The wheels are going to be completely black. The regulator I'm going to keep just the way it is. It doesn't need to be painted. I'm just going to shine it up a little bit. And then I have the other piece of plastic hanging from this funny trident thing in my yard. And so I got painter's tape over that, and I'm going to shoot that black. All right, so everything is painted. So I wanted to include you on the reveal here. The sticker was kind of beat up anyways on here, but I thought it would kind of look cool, add some character to it. So, all right, sweet. Looks like it's all beaten and battered and everything. Pretty cool. Let's check over here. Like I said before, it's not a showpiece. It's just meant to look good and catch people's eyes. It doesn't matter if there's a little paint around the edge there. You can always go back and kind of clean it up and wipe it off. And then we'll do the last sticker here. It's a nice bright sunny day here in New England, and I just kind of let it sit out in the sun for probably 10 minutes or so, and it was nice and dry. So All right, there we go. So this is the tank. I still got some tape on the connects here. And then there is the pump and the motor. I think that came out really, really sharp also. So next step is assembly. And that is the boring step, so I'm not going to bother to show you. I also don't know how to do the high zoom and upload that with audio. So maybe one day when I get better at this, I will. But for now, I'm going to skip to the finished product. Okay, here's the finished product. I think it came out really, really good. Just like, you know, the other ones that I have shown on this channel. It's a basic, just making sure it runs correctly, tearing it down, taping off the stickers and everything, and then painting it and reassembling. So, as I said earlier in the video, I paid $50 for this. I'm gonna ask for $150. Pretty sure I'm gonna get that no problem. These are older air compressors. I can look up exactly what year this is, but a 3.5 horsepower motor for an 11-gallon tank is huge. Harbor Freight uses like a 1.7 or 1.8 horsepower and a 26-gallon. So this thing cranks some serious power. Someone's definitely gonna want it, and I think that it looks really sharp. So let me know what you think in the comments section below, and as always, thank you for watching.